So our Tanner 3-Day Promise is our promise to you that within 3 days of a diagnosis of cancer, we will see you in clinic and face-to-face talk about what your treatment options will be.
When a patient gets diagnosed with cancer, there's a huge amount of anxiety that they're going through. And the last thing that they need is to try to coordinate their care amongst different places.
That's why we created the Tanner 3-Day program, so that we could help patients, once they are diagnosed, move forward with a treatment plan as quickly as possible and help calm those fears and anxieties.
The reason that I think our 3-day program is so important is because the hardest thing for patients when they're first diagnosed is waiting.
Sometimes for a cancer patient, they get a diagnosis over a phone call and then are told to wait for the next step. And that next step might not come quick enough.
They want to know, can we take care of this? And are we going to be able to, win this fight?
At Tanner, we have state-of-the-art diagnostic equipment. So for patients on our 3-day program, they get quick results and correct results the first time, and helps us get to better patient care quickly.
The 3-Day Promise really has expedited the care at the beginning of the process for our patients. We get pathology back quicker. We get scans much quicker.
There's physicians, nurse practitioners, PAs, a whole bunch of support staff that are all coming together to try to streamline that process. So we're getting labs done ahead of time. We're trying to get scans coordinated even before the patient sometimes gets seen by the specialist. We try to have that done ahead of time for them.
The hardest thing for a patient is to have to wait to find out what you're going to do, how you're going to be treated, what your options are. And so shortening that time makes a big difference to patients.
No one is just a number in our system. We have a vested interest in their care and feel a personal responsibility about that. At Tanner Cancer Care, we know that you're more than a cancer diagnosis, and we're going to be here to help care for you every step of the way.